Hello, Sok. We have camera.
Hi.
Hola.
We're gonna be all on the footage now.
Oh yeah.
And we're now on the whole tape now.
We are on the whole tape. Oh god. I don't know how to flip that, but we're upside down.
Are we though?
No, we're not. Portrait. This is cool. I like how you can hear the cassette working.
Yeah.
And the zoom is fucking insane. Where is Piso?
He's on the ledge, I think.
We'll go bother him. Piso. Hi, baby. How are you? Senor Meow Meow. Oh, he came down. I think he wants food. And here we have Miss Fatso filling the whole frame.
Oh.
God damn. We gotta say to yourself.
We should go look at Pixel. He wants food.
This fat ass too. You're trying to look like her. Whoa.
He wants food.
Okay, fine. I'll give you food.
Yay!
Hungry.
Hungry.
Nom nom nom.